Booking a cruise in 2025? Great, until your luggage gets flagged for banned gadgets. Today, we'll make sure you're cruise ready and not cruise rejected. We'll count down from 10 to 1 for dramatic effect. 10. Extension cords, multi-plug boards, power strips. Why it's banned. Many modern cruise lines prohibit extension leads or multi-plug adapters because they pose fire risks or overload cabins. Why you care. You might hope to charge all your devices, but that fancy power cube could be confiscated. 9. Candles and incense. Anything with an open flame or heating element. What it is: scented candles, incense sticks, maybe a hot plate. Why banned? Fire hazard on a moving ship at sea. Tip: bring a battery-powered LED light with scent, but leave the wax candles at home. 8. Alcohol and beverages, beyond the allowed limit. What it is: bringing large amounts of liquor, beer, or even in some cases glass-bottled soft drinks. Why banned? Many cruise lines restrict bringing your own alcohol, especially hard liquor. Tip: plan to purchase on board or check the line's policy ahead of time. 7. Drones/remote-controlled flying devices/large batteries. What it is: drones, remote-controlled toys, big batteries like hoverboards. Why banned? Safety, interference, battery risk. Tip: if you really want that aerial shot, see if the cruise line has an approved service or photography option. 6. Knives, blades, sharp objects beyond self-grooming items. What it is: kitchen knives, large scissors, blades longer than approximately 4 inches. Why banned? Potential weapon, safety hazard. Tip: nail scissors and small grooming tools are generally okay, just don't bring the carving set. 5. Illegal drugs/CBD/unapproved controlled substances. What it is: marijuana, CBD oils, designer drugs, or any substance illegal in the ports visited. Why banned? Legal jurisdiction issues. Zero tolerance. Tip: if you use prescribed medication, get documentation and declare it. But don't assume CBD is fine just because it's legal in your home state. 4. Appliances with heating elements. Irons, steamers, kettles, hot plates. What it is: travel irons, steamers, kettles, etc. Why banned? Fire and electrical hazard. Tip: many ships provide irons/boards or laundry service. Leave your iron at home and save space. 3. Sports gear or oversized gear/scooters/hoverboards/surfboards. What it is: bicycles, surfboards, electric scooters, hoverboards. Why banned? Bulk, storage, battery risk, space issues. Tip: if you must bring specialized gear, contact the cruise line in advance. You may be required to store it or check it. 2. Weapons/explosives/flammable chemicals/aerosol cans. What it is: firearms, replica guns, ammunition, fireworks, flammable liquids, aerosols beyond grooming use. Why banned? Big safety risk. Tip: even if some items are legal on land, the ship's policy and international laws override. 1. Speakers/boomboxes/public loud audio devices. What it is: Bluetooth speakers, large radios, satellite devices. Why banned? They interfere with announcements, disturb other guests, safety concern. Tip: use earphones for your music and save the boombox for land parties. Yahan pool deck pay bass drop nahi, bass safe drop. All right, Dostin, that wraps up our quick countdown of the top 10 banned items you should definitely check before boarding your 2025 cruise. So booked your ship, picked your cabin, packed your bags. Just make sure this list didn't bite you at the gangway, because the last thing you want is to be delayed, fined, or have your gear confiscated. And that can put a serious damper on your tropical holiday vibe. If you found this video useful, or if you've caught a surprise ban before and want to share your funny, merry hoverboard confiscated story, drop a comment below. Hit that like button, subscribe for more travel smart tips.